What's up, everybody in YouTube land? This is Giush. I just wanted to do just a little unboxing video. I found one other individual that had an unboxing video of a pre-owned purchase on Amiami. It's a Japanese website. They sell all kinds of collectibles and whatnot. So I just wanted to, do an unboxing of what I purchased. I started collecting Macross figures about 2.5, maybe 3 years ago. So I've got like 6 other, Macross figures. They're all Bandai DX Chogokins, and I've purchased all of those from Nippon Yasan. I'm sorry, I'm Southern, and so my pronunciation of that website might be not, a little incorrect, so I apologize if I bastardize that name too much. Anyway, so this is the first item that I've purchased from amiami, and this is a VF-31A Kairos. When I purchased, I was just on, Amiami's pre-owned selection, and I saw the Kairos pop up there. The description, I didn't realize it at the time, but I went back and looked after I purchased it. The description of the item was an A, which basically means that the item is either unopened or appears to be unopened. And the description of a box was a B, which means that the box had some damage. So, that's the description that Amiami gave. The item price was 49,000 yen. Yes, I know, very, very expensive. The condition with the situation with the Kairos, as everybody knows, like, it's really screwed up. Bandai is basically out of stock. This DX Chogokin is very, very difficult to find. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys just so you can see what's going on. So here's the box that it came in. I apologize if the video is a little shaky. But so here's the box, VF-31A Kairos. Now again, this was pre-owned. Let's go ahead and slide that box out of the way. I'm not going to actually open the box because, it's still got the little tabs here, the seal tabs. So there's one there. There's one there. Seal hasn't been broken. And there's one there. So this is brand new, essentially. 49,000 yen, that is a lot of money. In US dollars, that's a lot of money. I'm not even going to do the conversion because it's an ass load of money. But, that's because the whole situation with the Kairos is a bit of a shit show. Like I said, I've been collecting these things for 3 years now, and this situation with the Kairos is very, very unique. I have not seen a figure jump so high in price so fast. But the Kairos is quite impressive. I've got some other VF-31s. I've got the the Hayate Immelman Kai version, and then I've got the Messer VF-31 Valk as well. I can't remember what letter designation that is, but anyway, so I'm gonna do another video later on, just kind of like opening the box. But as you can see, the box is, the figure's brand new. So I just think it's amazing that I was able to find this on Amiami's website under the pre-owned category. It's pretty ridiculous. Anyway, leave me a comment below if you like this video. And like I said, I'm going to post one a little bit later where I actually unbox it. I need to go and get a straight edge and stuff like that, and open up the figure. But yeah, anyway, just leave a comment, and part 2 is going to be coming shortly. So thank you very much. Have a good day.